Just in the last couple of minutes here, one of the things we like to ask our CDOs is what are the specific items that they feel are missing that there's a need for the role of the CDO to get more focus on? What would you say if you were to say, things that I think would be really interesting for us to focus on that is just not being covered on? What are some of those areas and topics?
There is an area that is not necessarily being treated nicely or in the right focus. That's the data literacy. We are all investing a lot of time in creating those products and creating those data structures, not necessarily helping the business analyst to become more self-service. Both at ES and in El Al, we created a data literacy program. In El Al, we even have a head of data literacy that she is responsible to make sure that all the business analysts have the right tools to become better at what they do. Even if it's just, using the Tableau or using reporting or using SQL or just even Excel. So we are helping them become much better at what they do. And that allows us to deal only with things that we can do and they can't, such as, a complex integration portions of whatever we do, the data engineering part, or bringing new different types of sources for the models that we create. So I think what we should focus more is the ability to create a robust data literacy programs within the organizations to help the data engineering guys to do only what they can do and not waste their time on querying or on just plain reporting or adding some, columns in existing reports. If each and every one of the units would emphasize and would create things or work on things that only they can do, I think, of course, the organization would be much more efficient and it will be utilized in the best way.
Ido, thank you. Increased productivity is all about, the CDO can help bring change in the organization. I'd really like to thank you for your time today. Believe it or not, 15 minutes has gone pretty fast. We really appreciate it. We hope that we get the chance to come back and do this again in the future.
Thank you. And I wish that both of us can take this Dreamliner and fly all the way to Toronto. I've been to this next to the sign that is in the background.
Well, we hope to see Israel Airlines back flying in the skies and international. And for all our listeners, please visit cdomagazine.tech for additional interviews. Thank you. And Ido, appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Robert.